Nearly 2 years into this pandemic, and now we're seeing an alarming spike in pediatric cases of COVID-19 across the state. News 12's Amy McGorry tells us what doctors at some of our local hospitals are seeing.
We are seeing a huge uptick.
Infectious disease experts at local hospitals say they're seeing what the state is reporting. The Department of Health says the number of pediatric hospital admissions due to COVID is rising at an alarming rate.
I think, first of all, the Omicron is so incredibly contagious. And if you have something that is so much more contagious, you're going to hit a lot more people.
Since December 5th, the Department of Health says there has been a fourfold increase in hospital admissions due to COVID for children 18 and under, the concentration of cases in New York City and the surrounding area. The report also says last week, none of the hospitalized children ages 5 through 11 with COVID were fully vaccinated, and only a quarter of the children ages 12 through 17 hospitalized received their full vaccination dose. When the pandemic began, reports said children infected with coronavirus had less severe symptoms. So why is this variant sending children to the hospital?
Is it because Omicron is so much more contagious, or is it because it's so much more different than other coronaviruses that children have seen in the past?
Jeannie Cooner of Deer Park says she scheduled vaccinations for her 7 and 5-year-old children after hearing about the increase in cases.
My son has asthma, so that was definitely another fear factor.
But she says her son actually tested positive for COVID on the day he was scheduled to get the vaccine, Christmas Eve. Luckily, she says he's on the mend, but now she's sick with the virus too.
The frightening part is that you don't know what the symptoms are going to be for you or for your children.
Amy McGorry, News 12, Long Island.
And so quickly, health officials are urging parents of children 5 and over to get them fully vaccinated. They also say for children over 2, they really should wear masks.